Check out this crazy exhaust system on this G87 M2. This is an RES Sport exhaust finished in titanium, and it is an equal length exhaust system. But what is an equal length exhaust? Usually twin turbo cars especially come with unequal length exhaust systems. As you can see, this pipe is longer than this pipe, but not anymore because of these bends. This basically gives the exhaust system a higher pitch and makes the car sound much more different to a stock G87 M2. Have a listen. Let us know if you would choose an equal length exhaust system or an unequal length exhaust system for your M2.